Hey guys, welcome to Iron's World. Today we're going to talk about how to make a pyramid out of magnet tiles. So first thing, you take this big one. If you don't have one big, so you could add simple cubes on top of it. You could add simple cubes. But now first we're doing adding this and same colors, but you don't need to put same colors. I'm just doing that for decorations. You don't need to. Just add blocks over here. Put blocks like triangles, and then keep adding triangles. Now let's add another this like this. Now let's take another same color and then put it like this. And now we just add different colors into each place. Now see, first level done. But now second level. It's not that hard, but yeah, it's too easy. Like just add these two together and voila, a pyramid is done. So bye bye guys, and like and subscribe, and bye bye, and thanks for being awesome. Bye bye.